for so long, people were told, count calories, fat is bad for you, reduce, eliminate all the time. And it's, so many people have been taught that food is the enemy and that food brings you down, makes you gain weight, all these things, when food is literally the energy for our bodies. It's the energy for our life. Like, I know it sounds dramatic, but it's the truth. Food fuels us. And so if you eat the right type of food, your body not only is just going to survive, but it's actually going to thrive because it's getting everything it actually needs. My first company was called Juice Company, and I hated saying such a long business name again and again. So when we rebranded, we called it my nickname. Nook, simply put, we are a 100% plant-based meal delivery service. Everything that we make is certified organic, free of kind of like the main allergens, gluten, dairy, egg, peanut, and no refined sugar whatsoever. And essentially, we make meals that are really good for your body. We make nutrient-dense meals with a diverse number of plants in order to support your microbiome, your gut, your stomach, whatever you want to call it. And we deliver them straight to our clients' homes to make it easy. We try to do everything on our own. Everyone tries to get up early, meditate, do breath work, out, go to work, kill it at work, come home, be a good partner, friend, whatever, your social life has to be. And we're doing way too much. And when you try to bring food into the world, it's time sensitive. You can't biohack food. You can't condense it and it be good for you. That's the unfortunate truth about food. So when you have so many things going on, one of the things that you can take away is a food system. And the way that we set it up is, we deal with our clients on a weekly or monthly basis so that they don't have to think about it. They know that they're gonna get X amount of meals delivered to their home. Each week, the menu's gonna change each week, so it's kind of like a fun little surprise about what they're gonna have. And by us removing that task away from their daily life Monday to Friday, they have more time to focus on their priorities Monday to Friday, which are work or being efficient or picking kids up or those things. And then on the weekend they can enjoy food, right? Like, food shouldn't be a constant battle all the time. Like at Nook, we always talk about like an 80-20 rule. 80% of the time, eat to fuel your body. Eat the things that are going to heal your body and help your body and keep you feeling your best so that you can do your best. 20% of the time, enjoy anything you want. Chocolate cake, whiskey, pasta, enjoy your food, because food should be something that makes you happy. My ultimate vision for Nook is, first and foremost, we will always be a meal delivery service. I love food more than anything in this world. I love cooking for people. I love getting to take that off people's task list and then be happy. It's the best part of my job. My ultimate goal with Nook is to be able to talk about the other pillars of health that I believe need to be spoken about in order to reach pinnacle health or ultimate health, whatever you want to call it. Because health is not just about food. It's about movement, it's about sleep, it's about finding your purpose, spending time in your community and being involved in your community. And it's about mindfulness, pausing, meditation, breathing. So there's all these different sections to health that I think need to be spoken about, because you can't just eat a super healthy diet and yet be getting no sleep, not moving your body, not giving yourself time to pause. You're gonna burn out. So you can't lean on just one in order to feel as good as you can feel. So I hope that as we continue to work with our amazing clients, like, they teach me everything, right? I see patterns from them So one day I hope to be able to support the other pillars of health with Nook. Food is essentially information for our bodies. When we eat, that food that we eat is telling our body something. And it's either telling our body something good or something bad. And when we eat to nourish our body, it's not just fueling our body, it's supporting our immune system. It's supporting our digestive system. It's supporting our mental health. There's this wild nerve called the vagus nerve that's essentially like the superhighway that connects your stomach to your brain. And food directly impacts our hormones. Food impacts everything about our bodily system. So if we're able to shift people more towards 80% of their life eating to fuel their body, that means that they're going to be able to have more energy. They're going to be able to manage stress more. They're going to be able to have more balanced hormones. They're going to be able to have a stronger mental health. And as we have all of these problems to tackle on a daily basis, if people shift their eating, it literally changes their life. And that's the craziest thing. Like, we have clients now that have been a part of our programs for 6 months, and we've seen their life change just by changing how you fuel your body and also how you kind of respect your body. Because that's what food is. Food is respecting your body. And it's having fun with it also. You enjoy it. You start to crave different things. If you stop having refined sugar for a while, yeah, you're gonna go through a bit of a withdrawal. It's gonna happen, but after you kind of got over that initial withdrawal, fruit tastes so sweet to me now. I used to be addicted to sugar. Now I get jazzed about any type of natural sugar. Like I haven't had refined sugar in probably like 2 years now, because you find other ways to get it. And so, yeah, food can change people's lives in a really simple way, but in a massive way as well.